ELA. Hey, it's test time. Test what? Did you guys notice Miss Swistak and I both have right here due September 13th unit test. Our OMS test is broken. We have removed and changed a lot of content for you guys not to be so overloaded during the first unit, but the unit test is not cooperating with us. So we've got a plan B and a plan C. First option is to check this unit test option 1 out. If you click here, there's even more details for you because I need to add a page I forgot here. But all it is to offer you some ideas to complete a project based on the reading. So here's the way it looks. It says, congratulations, you completed our first unit. In this unit, you explored context clues with a goal of reading to understand characters and what motivate them to action. That's all stuff from your OMS, right? You took quizzes over it. You've been reading these stories about symbolism, explicit, implicit themes, evidence. They use the words connotation and denotation. Anyway, we also asked you guys, this first unit, you've read The Stone, Cato's Wall, Fisherman's Wife, biography of Harun al-Rashid, Baba Abdallah, and Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp. Those are all in your online literature book. So here we are. How are we going to get you to show your mastery of those stories and those content topics? Well, we thought we'd offer you two choices. One, you could make a project, or, not both, or a USA Test Prep test. So if you're feeling crafty, you're feeling creative, this is a great chance for you to throw out your ideas here. So make a PowerPoint, write a skit. You can choose any of these ideas and riff on it how you like. Make a test about the topic and give it to me with the answers. You could get on Screencast or YouTube and teach an imaginary class about the topics mentioned above. So when you turn it in, you're going to upload it into the submission folder. Hopefully that folder is going to be working just perfectly with no issues whatsoever. If it's something that is an art project like this, I don't know, puppet show, then you can upload a link. If it's something that you need to take a picture of and upload, that's fine. All right, so things I'm looking for, what's the difference between the implicit and explicit meanings? Again, that is also the same as connotative and denotative as the OMS describes it. Same. And if you came to our Class Connects, you know that's the same. What is theme, the message in the story, and how did you find it? How did you use context clues? And try to refer to at least two of those stories that were read. If you don't have time for this, or you think this is just not your cup of tea and you'd rather have something more straightforward, well, don't worry. I've got a plan for you. So let me see if I can get back to the home. I'm sure yours looks a little different because this is from my view, but you should still see these two options populated on your plan now, okay? And there's nothing really in there for you to do. It's just instructions. So here's the instructions on how to get to USA Test Prep. I know we've been having some weird issues with this too, so please let me know if it doesn't look like this for you. When you click here, it'll take you there. This is what it's called. This is option 2. You don't have to do this one, but if you don't feel like doing option 1, the project, then go in here and be sure to do this in USA Test Prep. And it is a concept test, 21 questions. There's some short answers, some drag and drop stuff to really practice the same objectives that we mentioned before in the project with theme, explicit, implicit, and whether you do this option or the project, it is 50 points in the grade book. That's a big test grade. Okay, so please do your very best and ask me if you have any questions about it. Again, these are just instructions that are in your plan. There's nothing to actually do here. So hopefully it's working. You should see a little box over here that just allows you to click it. That's completion set manually. That's how it is set, but I know we're also having issues with that. So please ask if you have questions. Hopefully it's very straightforward. Option 1, complete a project and upload it into the OMS. Option 2, complete USA Test Prep. One or the other. 50 points, test grade. I hope this is easy and makes sense. Let me know. Have a good one. Bye.